this WL250. Now I'm going to now demonstrate functionality on the green couplers using my flow meter for the demonstration purposes. We also see relative flow rate. Previously on the red couplers, my range was between 3 and roughly like 13-14 GPMs at max engine speed. So we're going to do the same functionality test in the green couplers and get a relative flow rate. So I'm going to get in the machine. I'm going to use my joystick to activate my green auxiliary couplers. Okay, so I'm back at the joystick. We've got two push buttons. The bottom push button. So let's see if I can do this. This guy right here. I'm going to press and hold, and then my bucket function now becomes an auxiliary function left and right. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold the bottom button, and instead of curl in, curl out, this is my left and right position of my auxiliary function on the green couplers. Okay, so we're going to start the engine. Okay, so right now, parking brake is on. I'm going to press and hold that bottom button and then rotate my joystick left or right. Okay, so right now with the park brake on, you can see the bucket function still works. Okay, in order for the green couplers to activate using this function, the parking brake has to be off, as in traveling the machine. So if I'm pushing the pedal forward direction, I can now travel. So again, I'm going to bottom button, press and hold, rotate my joystick left or right, so left or right. It's going to be for my green couplers. So right now, I'm going to hold my function to the left. My bucket function is deactivated, and I have flow rate on my flow meter. So right now it's about the same flow, about 3 GPMs. When I mash on the pedal, I'm right around 13 again. So again, bottom button, press and hold, left and right function. Parking brake has to be off for the green couplers to work.